So, staying motivated is through a vision, a realistic vision that you imagine and visualize every morning whenever you wake up. Every morning, just sit 5 minutes, close your eyes, visualize yourself, what what you are making those steps, for what you are making that effort every day, and for what uh, you believe these steps, these efforts, these overcoming these obstacles is justified. Just visualize every morning. I believe that would work for you to stay motivated.